Linking your Facebook account to Adobe can streamline your login process and offer additional integration features. Here is how you can connect your Facebook account to Adobe. Open your web browser and go to the Adobe website. If you're not signed in, click on the sign in option and enter your credentials. Once signed in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page and select Account Settings. Look for an option related to social media or external account settings. In the Social Media Settings section, locate the option to connect or link an external account. Choose Facebook from the list of available social media platforms. Adobe will prompt you to authorize access to your Facebook account, so click on Authorize or Connect button to proceed. Facebook will display a list of permissions that Adobe is requesting access to. Review the permissions and click on the Allow or Accept button to grant access. Once you've granted permissions, Adobe will confirm that your Facebook account has been successfully connected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.